A desire to spread the excitement over the full 5 days of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships was partially responsible for the change in the order of events for this year's staging. As we continue our build-up to the championships, this evening we also hear how coaches' suggestions were taken into account when creating this new schedule.
Usually, fans would have to wait until Friday's fourth day of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships to get a true picture of who the top contenders for title honors are. But this time, things will be different. The 100-meter finals, which were traditionally the spotlight event on a Friday evening, have now been moved forward, while fans will get a number of other finals earlier in the meet.
So, for example, on the Wednesday, which is day 2, we actually have 16 finals. So we are encouraging persons to come out for the other days. So the 100 final is on the Wednesday. On day 3, we have 13 finals. We have the 400-meter finals, the 800 prelim.
Competitions director Anthony Davis, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday, also explained that the 200 meters will now start on Thursday and have 1 round per day until the final is run on Saturday. He says the new schedule also gives athletes better recovery time, especially when doing longer doubles like the 800, 1500 meter double.
We try to strike a balance, so we mix it with we start with the 800 meters, speaking on Saturday, and then we move into the 200 meters. So the afternoon is pretty sprint oriented and the relay finals oriented. And when I say sprint, it also includes all hurdles.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships runs from April 5 to 9 at the National Stadium, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com, with continuous radio coverage on Hits 92 FM and Power 106 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.